Alright, we need Polish for this recipe, which is 100 gram, rested 12 hours at room temperature. Now time to add 190 milliliters of water and mix it very well. Then time to add your salt, which is like 6 to 7 gram. And of course, extra virgin olive oil, which is like 30 grams for this amount of flour, which is 300 grams. We had 50 grams of flour in our Polish, and we add 250 grams to the Polish and water and the other ingredients. Mix it very well. Let it rest at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough is little bit smoother but super sticky. It's 80% hydration. Then we use this technique. We stretch the dough a little bit and fold it in. Let it sit for another 1 hour. Bring your baking pan, generous amounts of olive oil, and transfer your dough. Let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can shape your dough. Easier to handle, but always use olive oil. And now after 30 minutes again, we can do the fingerprints. Satisfying. I love it. And add your favorite spices. To me was especially oregano, some rosemary, of course, which is my favorite in focaccia. And season it with salt. It's very important. I love to add some cheese on top. Bake at 250 for 25 to 30 minutes and watch. It is super light, as you can see. Easy enough? Make it and you will love it. That's it.